Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this is definitely a different setup, but I figured, I'm in a bedroom with the window, it's a cloudy day, great lighting. So this is a continuation of the Marc Jacobs Provocateur palette focus, and this is going to be tutorial number 4, I believe. Not too sure what kind of look I want to do today, but we will begin as usual. I'm gonna go ahead and prep my eyes with, did I bring it down? Please tell me I brought it down. Where is it? Oh yeah, Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. Maybe I should do it this way. Yeah, this guy, Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer. Let me go and get my eyes ready and we will get ready. Alright, so tutorial. Eyes are prepped, and as you can tell by the tape, I hope they look like sisters, but we're gonna go a little bit more dramatic because I lifted it up a little bit more. And I'm gonna go in with Otherwise first, this cool tone lavender-ish type of brown, which is so beautiful. I really don't know what kind of look I want to do. So literally just basically starting from here and blending it out that way. And I'm keeping it right on my brow bone, basically the eye socket area, you could say. So the reason why I'm filming in my room today is because my husband is working from home and he's upstairs. So, and I want to do a commentary with this step by step. I have an idea in my head. I just don't know if it's gonna come out the way I want it to. Switching to a different brush, but I do love the lighting in here. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm starting out on the outer first, and I'm leaving the in empty because I'm going to add another color there. So we shall see. Just really getting it on the outer part of the eye socket first, and then let me go and even out. So this is where we are at. Oh, I love this lighting because it really brings out my eyes. I mean, you can even see the reflection in my eyes. That is my source of lighting for this video. Next, I'm going to go into with style, which is going to be this light one here. Clean, fluffy brush, obviously. And then I'm just going to go and put that actually right in the inner. Up and to the eyebrows. Just literally like that. And this is a very faint wash of color. So, and just like the other matte I put down, it really caters to that, almost like that lavender cool tone. Oof, I love the way that is looking. Like I said, I have an idea in my head. I just don't know if it's going to translate onto camera or tutorial, but we shall see. And just really blending it into the other one. Perfect. There we go. And then from here, oof. One side is starting to look very beautiful and the other side is starting to look adopted. Great. Great, great, great. See how that already kind of creates more of that cut crease? This is one way you could create a cut crease. So, from there, actually we'll go ahead and put on my brow highlight, which I'm going to go ahead and use. Are they even? Yeah, this is close. Still going in with this highlighter. And then just really start to, perfect, blend it in. And this is actually really great because I like to do the brow highlight last sometimes because you can really tone down the blending or the harshness of the lines. And I just like to use my fingers sometimes to really create a better blend and also the warmth from the fingertips. Perfect. And then just go and put it right there. So it's a faint, that shift from that pink to the it's like a pinky, yeah, you really can't see it, but it's such a, for me it's like a sophisticated type of shimmer and highlight, more mature. Not, I'm not saying it's more for older people, but by mature I mean it's more subtle, like it's there with a wash of color, rather than it being so blinding, which is really nice. So that's what I mean by sophisticated and mature. Now I'm gonna go in with the first one called Say It, which is like, kind of looks like almost like a lavender. So, ooh, oh, that is actually really beautiful. It's almost like a blue toned, cool tone type of silver. So I'm gonna go and put that all over the lid. Oh, that is really icy. Okay. Pack it on there. Right into the inner corner. And I'm using my fingertip to get maximum payoff. But like I did in my last video, we are going to layer. Because I know with Marc Jacobs, even with his clothing brand, the layering, the different types of texture, the different types of styles, the different types of colors, you start to get a different type of finish. Oh, this is so beautiful. Actually, let me get a flat brush. I even have to bring all my brushes down. I mean, even like that. Going in with a flat brush. Pack that on. And just really start to pack it on. Because the great thing from here, you could even just leave it and it's more of like very ethereal type of a look. But I need my drama, so we are going to add that black in a moment. But I mean, just look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Then going in with that dark brown or the matte brown, just to emphasize this again, and just a little bit in the corner, obviously on both sides. Perfect. And in the end, just bringing it in, blending it in, start to create that wing effect a little bit. Okay. Now with the layering aspect, as I was talking about, I'm going to go back in with the highlighter and just put that right on top of what we just laid down. Get a little bit, different type of effect. And you can probably hear my husband walking down now. Perfect. Now next, I mean, it's a subtle shift, but I like it. I really do like the subtleness of that shift, rather than it being so powerful and so pigmented. Mature and sophisticated, remember. Now I'm going into that black as well by showing it. There we go. Liner. And just begin to, there we go. Just doing a little wing. Starting off with that. Probably hear Rihanna in the background, can't you? And then going in with a fluffy brush and just begin to go ahead and blend that out. So, and the beautiful thing about this matte, or this black sparkle, the only black one in here is, it looks like it's going to be very shimmery, but the more you blend it out, the more it's actually very, very, has a beautiful matte background, or matte undertone. And then with those sparkles that just kind of just give that extra oomph. Perfect. I mean, this is where we are at so far. So that is gorgeous. Gorge, gorge, gorge. So let me go and do the other side, and then I will show you where we are at with the eyes. So this is where we are at so far. I mean, such a beautiful, 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 beautiful. Oh, I just love this cool tone. Like, I love how it's very more lavender steel almost, with that magenta and then that black. Oh, it just adds so much more depth. For mascara, I went ahead and did the Dark Star by Pat McGrath as usual. And then let me go and finish the rest of my face, and then we will see the final look. because I don't know if I want to keep the black on the bottom as well or what, but we will see. Alright, so here is the final look. Let me do, ooh, sorry, close up. So tutorial number 4 of the Provocateur. And for lips, I actually have on Walk of Shame by Charlotte Tilbury on the outer parts, and then Pillow Talk just really right in the middle is how I did this look. And that is it. That's literally all I did for the lips. I really want to put on some lip gloss, but it's upstairs, so it's gonna be just a regular lip today. Blush Dolce Vita by NARS, and of course the highlighter is still, I mean, this is a lot. This is, how many grams are in this? 10 grams worth of a highlighter. This is definitely for face, body, eyes, lips, body. I mean, if you actually scrape some off, put it into your oil for the body, ooh, shimmer all over, body lotion, ooh, for the summer. Now we're talking. But yeah, tutorial number 4. I mean, you could really tell that this palette has a lot of that magenta, purple, lavender type of thing going on, which is really beautiful. That black in this though, what is it as well, is like a black purple, and you can like really barely see the gold flecks in there that it comes with. So I enjoy this look, loving this look. So as usual, go to my Instagram page to see the final edit, and I'm actually kind of curious of how the, because I'm about to take some pictures right now and do the what I usually do with it, but I'm kind of curious of how this lighting is. If I do like it, then I might continue doing looks in here, but I also like upstairs of how the lighting comes from above, and you know, when I take my pictures I do stuff like this, so it's all about the angle. Oh, for foundation, still using the NARS Show Glow Vanilla 2, I think. Beautiful, added this to it. Still setting my face with the Anastasia Dewy Spray and the Airbrush Flawless setting spray as well. For primer, literally all the videos I've been doing has been Pat McGrath and the Yves Saint Laurent. Actually, since we moved to Utrecht, these two is what I've been using, and as you can tell, my Yves Saint Laurent Touche blurring primer is about out, and this is just about to, it's basically done, and I have another one. But for brows, if anybody's ever curious, all I literally use is the Gimme Brow. Gimme Brow by Benefit, and what, 4.5, and I just put it in, and then I just go ahead and comb everything out with this spoolie, blah blah blah, and that is literally all I do for brows. So yeah, and liner is the Pat McGrath Permagel still. So this is such a beautiful palette, beautiful curation of color. I love the color story. I even love the story it has. Say it with style, otherwise you might as well just stay in bed, which is true. If you're not gonna say it with style, then I mean, look at that duochrome. When it hits this lighting, it's just such a beautiful type of duochrome. So what, number 4. So we still got, I have a few more ideas that I want to do with this. So see you guys next video. Stay classy, stay bold, and just provocateur. Just stay couture. Bye guys.